What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we're about to get straight into this look. So you want to start out with a braid down, and then I'm going to brush our edges all the way back, blow dry them, and then apply the ball cap. After that, I'm going to apply lace glue. After the lace glue has completely dried, I'm going to apply a makeup that's closest to her skin tone. Then after that, I'm going to apply her unit. And then I'm going to clean her skin with 91% alcohol. Then after that, I'm going to spray a skin guard onto her skin, allow both to dry. And then I proceeded to do 4 layers of lace glue in between, letting each one dry completely. And after my 4th layer has dried, I'm now going to lay the lace into the glue. And then I'm going to apply an elastic band on, allowing it to melt. And then I'm going to proceed with styling, which with my curly hair, that doesn't require much. But I do go in and hot comb each section of the frontal because I want that super flat buzz down. Alright, and after I finish hot combing, I am now going to proceed with removing the excess lace. And y'all know I cut in a super jagged motion. And then after I finish cutting, I'm going to pull out the baby hairs, and then I'm going to mow her down one more time. And while that's melting, I'm just doing my finishing little touches by touching up the part and just defining it. And then after that, I'm going to remove her band and we're going to get into the baby hairs.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain.
And y'all, that's how you slay. That's how you slay a bust down 40-inch curly unit. Yeah, she's feeling herself as she should. And the baby hair process was just so therapeutic, so I didn't even want to talk, so I'll let y'all have that. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. I am almost at 1K, and I thank y'all so much. Like, oh my god. But thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.
Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay.